Yeah, hi everyone, Manasa here. I work for Kenua as a technical product manager, and I also do a more on the product evangelism. Product management is majorly focused more on how the innovative product comes into picture by solving a problem. In my journey, I used to be a full stack developer for a decade, and I always curious about what happens before engineering and after engineering. So that made me to join this course and learn more on the product mindset side, which really helps in to grow in the product leadership. This is a wonderful course everyone should go through if you're looking forward to grow in the product and also in the leadership roles. On the majorly as I said, right, I used to participate in a lot of hackathons when I was doing engineering. I was getting like, why we are getting this problem to be solved? Who is giving us problem? And what happens after we do any work? So that triggered me to understand in the whole ecosystem before engineering what happens and after engineering what happens. And also one more idea what I felt is like after a decade of experience in one area, we really want to grow in leadership roles, especially what they call managerial roles in past, but I would say it's a leadership roles. Looking for a tailored course, especially, right? It's not like you will have a lot of online courses where you have to do your own time understanding and do the learnings, but having a dedicated tailored course make you more dedicated and disciplined, especially in this world. My learning journey was really amazing. So it's like they say, right, the student life or the college life is best. So same applies here when we do a lot of networking. If you are more interested in networking, understanding the world better, yeah, this helps to grow in the networking, because networking is not only for the learning, it will be again helpful for your whole surviving skills. The other part what I enjoyed is the problem solving and the user experience what we do here. Those courses are really helpful for you to prepare yourself for a better world. In this world, everything is treated as a product, right? It can be a service or it can be a human. So those kind of mindset is really gained out of this course, and the whole journey with the tailored course help us to tackle that. The last and least is the leadership skills. The leadership skills is not about managing without authority, but also in all the ups and downs of the life process, right? The resilience pattern and the growth mindset, the learner mindset. So these, the leadership skills really help for us to live better in this world. It really helps not only to in the profession but also in the personal life, I would say. I would advise to more concentrate on what you look for a longer vision, avoid short understanding of your growth, think more on the longer vision, what you want to be, and be disciplined and make a good decision. The good decision really helps in you in your growth, and it's your life. You should concentrate more, and there is no time to decide. You should do it whenever you feel you have to do it.